forest, and then we are suffering with a lot of ailments because we don't have the enough forest cover. What happens when you destroy a tree? When you destroy a tree species, one particular bird gets destroyed. When a particular bird gets destroyed, the prey of the bird, it will be few insects, they will get destroyed. What happens when they get destroyed? It is a complete cycle. So, in birds, I will not take long time. In birds, how many varieties of bird are there? Can someone tell? Let me make your question very simple. What do birds eat? Worms, insects, seeds. Minimize its cost for growing a tree. See, if you buy a plant from a nursery outside, then they will keep their profit. The plant becomes costly. So that's why we have our own nursery here. What you have seen today is our own nursery. So we buy seeds. We first give it on a mother bed. What you see behind is the mother bed. These are all mother beds growing for baby plant. So we sow the seeds here, and once the plant becomes a baby plant of 2-3 inches, we shift it to a bag. Okay, so then from the bag we grow for 4 months. That's how it becomes a plant. So in every step of plantation, we apply an economy. For the tree, we need a pitting, we need to take a pit. If you do manually, it is very laborious, time consuming. So we have kept machines. We have bought a JCP machine of our own. So there are 3 JCP machines in the organization, which is working across Tirupur district in various farmers' land. So we have minimum workers, maximum mechanization, which is reducing the cost. So in the first year, we were spending 200 rupee a plant, and today we are spending 67 rupee a plant after 6 years of experience. Hope you got the answer. Thank you. What's your good name? Thank you, Vishnu.
What kind of control measure do you use here?
See, normally in horticulture crops, see, tree growing is called as horticulture. In horticulture crops, the pest attack is minimum, and we apply the nature's law. When there is a pest, we just leave it. The pest will eat whatever leaf they need, and after a month also, the pest will move automatically. The moment you go and spray a pesticide, herbicide, it becomes a habit. The pest will develop an immunity, and it will become like mosquito. Today we are unable to eliminate mosquito from our houses. Why? 2-3 decades before, during your grandparents' period, there was no mosquito here. So nature has a law. More you try to agitate, it will develop an immunity, and it becomes a problem. So pesticides, insecticides are required for the vegetable crops because they are very close to the earth. So the pests, they multiply only with help of the soil. They lay egg in the soil. So 1 becomes 100, 100 becomes 1000, 1000 becomes million. And all vegetable crops are always, they are shrubs. They are very closer to the soil. So pesticides are normally happening in vegetable crops. Like a tree like this, the pest has to go to the top. Whatever the pest eats, the tummy will be full, and still there will be leaves left. So For horticulture crops, there are no problem of treating the pesticide. We don't touch it. We just allow it. After a month, the pest will go by itself. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Type of irrigation is mainly used here, sir.
You mean this? You are asking about this part, or you are asking about a general tree growing?
Sir, this part.
This part we are doing surface irrigation. Surface irrigation means we will allow the water from the pipes, and it will flow through open canal, and it will flow through the surface of soil.
During COVID time.
If it is a block plantation, if it is a coconut grove or mango grove, to save water, we use drip irrigation. So drip irrigation means the water will flow to the root zone drop by drop. So we save water. We give water only to the required amount of it. So thereby we save water. We control the weeds. Whatever plants not required around the tree, you give more water, you will get more weeds. So once you control the water, then you get lesser weeds. Done? Any other doubt? Thank you.
Good morning all. We, the students of AP institution, are here at Vanathakal Tirupur farm to pay a tribute to the former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on his 6th Remembrance Day. To make the occasion, our management has taken the step to sponsor one tree for a student this year. Vanathakal Tirupur is a mass sapling planting initiative that was started to pay homage to our late President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It was started with a great target to plant 1 lakh tree, but now it is crossing about 10 lakh trees across Tirupur district.
Today, we had the opportunity to visit the sampling nursery and we learned about the various kinds of species that are grown here. It is a responsibility of every citizen to conserve the environment and fulfill the moral duty for us and for the future generation. We would like to urge our fellow students, parents and society to come forward and conserve the ecosystem and take part in such initiatives. We would like to conclude by thanking our school for taking this step towards building a greener city, and we applaud Vanathakal Tirupur for the tremendous job they are doing. Thank you.